Many people in North Carolina are still cleaning up weeks after Hurricane Helene ripped through the state. Early voting started in the key battleground state, and local officials say several voter precincts faced issues including structural damage, flooding, and mold. That forced them to close their doors or relocate. But despite the challenges, state election officials say they will do whatever it takes to assure every voice is heard. And help is on the way to the state. Warner Robins is sending the first truckload of aid tomorrow to Asheville, North Carolina. Hunter King has the story for us tonight.
The U-Haul door is up. Volunteers hit the ground running. Warner Robins prepares to send their first shipment of aid to Asheville.
We're going to get some bins and organize everything, get it all separate so it's easier to transport, and load it all up, get it ready, and we're leaving out in the morning about 6.
What began as a personal mission for Stephen McLarty became a community-wide effort. It's their first trip with supplies from the city's staging area.
Biggest thing is keeping warm because it's going to get cold. We got a lot of dog food and baby diapers, formula.
For the McLartys, this initiative is deeply personal. Stephen and Casey once lived there in Asheville for 9 months.
I have something that I can help people with, and that's what I'm going to do.
The outpouring of support has surprised even the organizers.
It's a little overwhelming. I got used to just having everything here. I've met so many amazing people who just come in and drop things off. As
volunteers load the boxes, they reflect on what this could mean for those who need it.
I just want to help whoever needs help. If that was us, we would want the help. So why not give the help when we can give it?
When they arrive, they plan to work with missionaries and shelters to hand out the supplies. They say they hope to reach hundreds of people. Reporting in Warner Robins, Hunter King, 13 WMAZ News.
The team plans to continue these trips until the supplies are gone. You can drop off supplies until October 25th at the Warner Robins Public Works facility on Bay Street.